In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my wing strut repair tips for the Ranger 1220. You want to mark at the shoulder of the replacement tip. Having the strut and the new tip lined up, if you hold that factory strut up to the light, you'll see where the factory insert stops. And that's where we're trying to make that cut, so it opens up that strut tube, the hollow end. Here I'm using my little mini table saw. Works great for cutting plastic. You could use a hacksaw blade or anything that cuts plastic decently. I cut it a little short here, and I didn't get to the hollow end of the tube, so I cut off another blade's width so I could open up the tube, the end of the strut. And you don't want to cut any more than that, or your strut will be too short, obviously. And then now the replacement tip will slide right in. I don't glue it. I use clear plastic tape, but if you want to glue it, I would recommend using a silicone, like a bath and tub or window caulking. That'll hold the tip in plenty strong enough that you will most likely be able to pull it off if you break it again and replace it. That's the beauty of these tips. You can just keep your factory struts, and you get 8 replacement tips. Now it's the same length as the factory strut. Just be sure you don't cut off too much of the strut. 15 to 16 millimeters is ideal.